I wasn't going to do a video on this, but then I seen how dirty it was. I decided I should really point this out, how it is important. So you get sawdust buildup in this area. You always will. And this is on the excessive side. I mean, this is on there really good. And the other thing I noticed was when I took the bolts off here, the nuts, they were really cranked on, a little extra. They didn't really need to be on that tight. You do not have to really wrench right down on them, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. So what I'm going to do is just start cleaning this with the wrench, getting all this cleaned out, because it's important for a couple reasons. First of all, it looks better. But secondly, this is your, when you click this is what locks down the clutch right here. And then the other thing is, this is where your oil comes out. So those ports can get clogged, and then you're not getting oil on your chain, which is not great. So it's really good to keep this area all clean. I used to open it up every day when I was working in the woods and clean it out. That's just what I was taught. Now I don't do it so much, but I'm only cutting firewood and I'm not running the saw steady, tank after tank typically. Well, I'm not doing it. I only usually, at the most, I'll run one tank in a day, and then I'm moving on to other projects. But it's important to clean all the sawdust out of here. You can see a lot of oil gets into it, so just clean it all out. There should be some holes in here where the oil gets into here. Maybe not on the little saw, but there's going to be portholes here someplace. So clean them all out. Okay. Get it clean. Ava, what are you doing?